we are in Clark County, Nevada.
And we're at the Hoover Dam.
And the only reason I said it that way is because we're on the border between Arizona and Nevada. So technically it's a Boulder City.
I don't know.
I don't know, but we're gonna be in two different time zones.
Yes, in two
Awesome.
different states.
Hoover Dam, check it out.
Yeah, but you had already made plans. Yeah, something like that.
So what is this? Is this the dam right here then? There's a riverboat out on Lake Mead there. Check it out. One thing you won't run out of is men's room or women's restrooms at the Hoover Dam. I've seen like 5 sets. They're in like every building. It's crazy. Wonder why. People see the water and have to pee.
Nevada time. We're on the Nevada side still.
Just a pretty epic feat, you know, of like, what's it called? Industrial manufacturing back in the 30s. What do you say?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Oh.
It's pretty monumental. Arizona time. We're in Arizona now.
I love how everything's Art Deco because it was built in the 30s. I just love that look and feel of that. Those statues, those really tall, slender statues by the flagpole, that's just so awesome. And all the type and all the plaques, I love it. What do you think about that?
It's really nice here. This was named after Hoover.
Hoover, yeah. Wasn't he like the 31st?
I think he was right before FDR, which is my favorite president. I think Hoover kind of caused the crash.
Stock market.
The stock market. And people had to live in like Hoover huts, they were called.
Yeah,
I wonder why it's named after him.
It was named Boulder Dam, and then they changed it like 4 years after it was built, and they named it Hoover. I don't know why.
They should have named it the FDR Dam.
Yeah.
That would have been cooler.
That would have been, I think more appropriate.
Yeah, this place is pretty crazy.
It's epic.
There's a lot of people, so if you don't like people, you might have a problem.
I would say it's a pass unless you love architecture and love American history, because it's super jammed here, and no one's considerate because it's a tourist mecca. You know,
Yes.
Everyone comes here.
Pretty much.
And we usually don't do places like this, but we wanted to since we were here because it is the Hoover Dam and it is such a feat of, you know, like industrial, like.
Yeah, so it's pretty much just us walking around. There's no tours today.
Oh yeah.
And there's nothing available in the visitors thing. So
we're gonna go after this. We'll take some more video, but we'll go to the gift shop and get some stuff. And
we're going to the middle, the Nevada and Arizona.
Probably like right about here.
It says it usually.
Right there. I see it. There's a plaque, duh.
Alright, here we go. Nevada, Arizona. I'm gonna drink some damn water.
What's it taste like?
Water.
Is it salty?
No, what the hell? The Hoover Dam people, workers, had a mascot. It was a dog and it got hit. So they buried him here.
It's kind of sad, but...
So in relation to the dam, there's the visitor center behind Matt. And the dog was buried here.
So we are on the Hoover Dam access road, and we're gonna drive over the Hoover Dam on this dam road.
Head northeast on Hoover Dam access road.
Look at all these people, dude. You gotta get your photos in, dude.
Down in the middle, look freaking
We're in Nevada, and now we're in Arizona, Nevada, and now we're in Arizona. I guess that's a way to do it. Hey, bro, take your photo, bro. Hoover Dam, in between Arizona and Nevada. I'll let you be the judge. I don't know.
Of what?
I don't know. To come or not.
No.
Right?
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of people. It's a tourist location, so there's people from everywhere coming here.
Everywhere. And,
So-
and everyone cares about themselves and their person only, and everyone is rude. What's up, man? So, like, don't be rude when you go places. It's not very, like, nice.
Exactly.
You know, but yeah, if you dig these videos, like them, share them, and then subscribe to our channel. Until the next Hoover Dam video.
Well,
Bye.
bye.
Gotta get them photos in, bro. Family photo, dude. Dangerous.